Hey team, so I want to get started on the onboarding process. So here we have it's onboarding. It's on the usual Figma. So you should be able to find it at the bottom of the screen. It's only there for web at the moment, so focus on this, please. We have step one. Now there are two step ones. I would like to go with this one. Sorry, two step twos. So here it says find your club. So really this should be step one. Let's get started or whatever. This should be step two, I think. But now there are two versions of find your club or join or create a group. Um, I think we need to have the option for join a club or group, and then there needs to be an option for create your own. So, maybe we need to have some method of, at the bottom here, we have create new club. Maybe we need to have the option for when they click on create new club, or it should say click on create new club or group, select that, and then like it does in the app, if I just find the app, if we go to discover clubs, where is create club, my community, create. All right, so you don't see it really here. You have the option to create. So let's add that value there so that we can give them the option to create club or group. Drop this step. We don't need this step here. Connect your Garmin. We do want to don't create any notifications. Just store these values. I can include some other values, so like a polar, a chorus, and maybe something else. Let's have a look at what the main watch types are. Then find an event. Okay, what I do notice here is there's no search bar. So let's get rid of these values here and let's just add a search bar, and they should be able to search by the name, but they should also be able to search by location. So I should be able to type my town name in here. So just give that some thought. We should know what country they're in, so we shouldn't have to talk about country here on find an event. Same for find people. There is no search bar. Let's find some people. The one step that is missing, I think, is invite friends. Now, I think that should be its own whole step, or maybe it should just be a box under here, and then they can just invite friends. Now, I'm not sure what the best way to do this is. We want to make it super easy to do. So I don't know whether that's connecting to Facebook, or if it's adding emails, which I think will be less likely to be used. So we need something that's very simple to do. Maybe it's accessing their contacts within their phone. So guys, please give this some thought. I don't know what the tools are available, but we want it super simple for people to invite people into the application. Maybe have a look at something else that allows that, something like, some kind of app, maybe like Duolingo. But of course, this will be on your browser. Sorry, this will be a web page, so it might not be able to access your contacts. So just please have some speak internally. What are the best ways to do that, to be able to find out, add people for the to invite people to the app. I'm not sure what the best way to do that is, but we need some kind of intuitive, clever interface to be able to do that, and then that should be the step. So just to conclude, or just to run through it one more time, the situation is right, we go to here, welcome, that's all fine. Find your club or group, create new club or group. That should be the same as under the option where it creates club or group, right? So then drop this step, we don't need this step. Connect your Garmin. We'll add a couple of watches. Just store these values in the database against the user, so we might need an additional table. Keep it simple. Have search bars at the top here, and I should be able to search by name and by town. All right, it's just a simple search. Same thing here. We need to have a search bar at the top to be able to find. We can just search by name. Then finally over here, we want to add a box to find friends, and I need you guys to go and do some research and tell me what are the best ways to invite friends to an application on web. Is it going to be by email? Do we access Facebook contacts? All of that kind of stuff. Let me know what works.